Hello YouTube, it's me again. We at Cheap Wanderers decided to celebrate our Christmas a little bit early so that way we could share it with you on Christmas Day. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Hi honey.
Get her out of there. Get her out.
Takes a special kind of moose.
Ta-da!
Oh, you just all lit up.
Yeah, I am. I got nothing in my stockings though. My stockings are empty.
Well,
oh, wait.
just don't pick up any moose berries.
There's a candy cane that was acquired by making somebody. There we go. We'll put that one right there in the beginning. There, well, now we're
That'll
set.
work.
That works.
One that's not wearing one of them things.
I'll run into my bus saying it.
Hey, now everybody keep in mind that this is a hunting camp and John is dressed in a reindeer outfit. Yeah, we like living on the edge.
Well, hey, I got green on, so they ain't gonna shoot at me. They're gonna think that he's a giant something. She'd be so cute.
Oh, look over here. We got the Pooh Bear.
Wait a minute.
Is he Winnie though?
Hold it. Wait, this way. No.
I told you, Uncle Denny's gonna fall. There he goes. I knew if we waited long enough, we'd get it.
This is.
I spun that right
Wait a
quick.
minute. Hold on. I got to say, you know, y'all are celebrating Christmas, but it's looking more like Halloween out here. All right.
Now, are you going to be able to set up something or whatever? So, I did not mark these. Okay.
You didn't mark anything.
Did not mark these. Okay. But in the tradition of my mommy and daddy, I'm handing out socks. But you got to give them back so that I have them. And no, I didn't wear them before. I bought them today.
There you go.
She took them out of my sock drawer.
They're all glittery.
I just bought them today.
Oh.
And I can't remember whose was whose.
Well, that's not a good thing.
Well, if you get one with lots of strawberry stuff in it, it don't belong to John, okay?
Thank you, Aunt Dottie.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas.
Hold on.
Oh,
Oh,
I almost forgot. These go in your stockings, but they wouldn't fit. My feet aren't that big. That's your
Sweet and
tea.
spicy tea.
That's your tea.
Oh, yeah. Spicy. Oh, sweet and spicy.
This is sweet and spicy tea. It tastes just like big red chewing gum.
Close your eyes. Hold out your hand.
Okay.
Uh-oh, here we go.
We're already married, so you can't surprise me that way.
Okay, open up your eyes.
Oh, cool. I got a Google Play card. Me at night. What do they call that? Pokemon.
Oh, you and that Pokemon. Huh?
And a battery.
Pokemon,
I got a battery for my phone. Awesome.
Yeah.
Pokemon, you don't need Pokemon. That's for
Thank
music.
you. It's for music, huh? Well, they play music in the Pokemon thing.
Well, yeah.
There's other things in there, right?
Yeah.
Oh, isn't that pretty? Look at that moon. Okay, your turn. Have a seat.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm going to sit down. Oh. Oh, man, it's getting cool out here. Oh, wow.
You gotta close your eyes, Uncle Denny.
Okay. After that, you got to take that camera out there and look at that moon.
I will, but see, I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna record you the whole time. Make sure you're keeping your eyes closed.
Yep. If I do that, though, I might go to sleep.
Everybody on YouTube. Well, if you start snoring, we'll poke you with a stick.
Hopefully not the one out of the fire.
He opened his eyes. I saw that.
No peeking. Are you gonna have some loose presents?
Now, the big surprise, I'm pregnant. There you go.
What's that?
Maybe I gave you the wrong side. Nope, same thing on the side.
Yeah, you can't really tell what it is in the box or with the box.
It turns over and it's.
Look
What's?
at that picture
Oh,
right
it's
there.
that. It's a telescope.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Now you have a telescope you wanted.
Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's from us.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Now we got to make sure that this one stays stored in a good place where it doesn't turn to mush.
Yeah, keep it in your camper.
Yeah, so let's keep it in the camper under the
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Under the
bed.
bed, yeah.
Who's this? Who's this right
And I
here?
have a few gifts to give out.
Miss Honey. Oh,
Nice.
look.
Look at this.
Oh, look, the reindeer's giving stuff out.
This is for you, Mr. Lee.
Oh, thank you.
Isn't that pretty?
Danny, this is for you.
Thank you. This is pretty.
Hey, I love the packaging, man. If we have a solar flare, nothing will happen to our stuff.
A flyad bag. Or whatever you can pronounce it.
Dang.
Work on the tape.
Don't you like the tape on that thing?
Yeah, that's some good tape.
Oh, nobody can see anything except
You know what
for
I'll do? You know, if I can't get
blurry
it open,
Christmas
I'll
tree.
fight
Okay, I'll stop it and restart it. Oh, there you go. John focused it for us.
My move tape.
Okay, I'm tearing the bag down. That's okay. I've always been one of those kids that tore the paper.
That stuff.
I've always been one of those kids that tore the paper. Oh my gosh, those are gorgeous.
Tis the season.
Snowflake earrings. Isn't that
Cool.
pretty. Oh my goodness.
Uncle Danny, did you
Thank
get snowflake earrings?
No, but you did.
You need help?
I put a special kind of something for you. And it's not green crayons. They're mine.
It's kind of liquid air so that way we can freeze the window on the bus. I can stick my tongue to it.
Don't do that.
Well, Christmas.
He'll end up like that kid on Christmas Story.
Yeah. You know, we almost got you a Christmas Story pink bunny outfit.
Really?
Yeah, we were looking at it.
With the feet and all that?
Yeah.
No.
That's why we didn't get it.
We love Denny, but he's a grouch.
Well, don't forget your bow.
He's a party pooper.
Oh, I know, that's gorgeous.
That's your little hamper at Christmas.
That is so pretty.
Nice. Let's see what we got here. Hope I can see it. It's dark outside.
Is he pretty? Yeah.
You
That
can
makes
use a
pretty
bracelet
things.
that's Byzantine. Bracelet or a keychain.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, that is what John got me. He said, bracelet or keychain, he said.
Check that
That's
out.
a nice keychain.
Oh, there you go.
I like that. Thank you very much, John.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. It's going in the box so we don't lose it.
Thank you, buddy.
You got it.
There we go. Look at that.
Merry Christmas to all of you.
Christmas,
Merry
everybody.
Christmas to everybody.
I was bad. I gave them their Christmas presents early. That was their jammies. So John
Yep.
actually did get something for Christmas. He got jammies. And he got his Christmas cookie.
Yes, I did.
Yeah. And I didn't get anything for John for Christmas. I feel like a jerk.
It's not about that. It's just
No.
the thought.
Huh?
It's about being together
Exactly.
and,
And
spending time together.
And you guys are my family now, so.
absolutely. Now, Uncle Denny,
You.
if we're going to do a closing on this, what would you like to say?
Well, hope everybody has a good Christmas. Be safe. And definitely thanks for watching. Subscribe, please. Like it and share it, and you know, have fun with it. Let everybody that you want to see this thing, because it's fun stuff. And I'm getting cold.
Not with these jammies, I'm not getting cold.
There you go.
You, if you would wear the jammies, you would not get cold.
You know, if y'all didn't know John better, you would think that he was the grumpy uncle in the reindeer outfit. But he is not the grumpy uncle. All right, everybody, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have anything you'd like us to know, put it in the comments down below. And hit that thumbs up. We appreciate it. Have a very Merry Christmas. And Happy Holidays.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. And a Happy New Year. Later on, people.